Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the top of a Jeep Gladiator. First, gather your tools, including a T50 Torx bit and a ratchet. It's also wise to have a friend assist you, as the top can be heavy. Park your Gladiator on a level surface for stability and clear out any items from the bed to prevent damage during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal. Next, let's tackle the freedom panels. Inside your Gladiator, you'll find two latches above the windshield for each panel. Unlatch both. Then, use your T50 Torx bit to remove the two bolts securing each panel at the rear. Once these are out, carefully lift each freedom panel off. Store them securely to prevent any scratches or damage. Now, we move to the main hardtop. Inside the cabin, you'll find 6 T50 Torx bolts that secure the hardtop to the body. Carefully remove all of these. Don't forget to disconnect the washer fluid hose and the electrical harness, usually found on the driver's side. Double-check that all connections are completely free before attempting to lift the top. Finally, with your friend's help, carefully lift the entire hardtop straight up and off the Gladiator. It's heavier than it looks, so take your time and communicate. Once removed, place it securely on a dedicated hardtop stand or a soft, protected surface to prevent any damage. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.